Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to create your local environment for WordPress, and you will need that for practice or to make changes on your local WordPress and then upload it to your live website. Or you can just set up your local environment and learn WordPress before buying domains or etc. So we're gonna head to local WordPress, localwp.com. I will leave the link at the description. I'm gonna download. You choose your platform. You're using Windows. Enter your full name. Let's say work email. Use your email. Phone number is optional, so you can leave it blank. Get it now. So put that here. So after download finish, you just install it. I already have it installed, so I will cancel that. So you will launch local. You will find the icon at the desktop. Here we go. So you click on add a local site. Give it a name. Let's say my first website. Continue. Use preferred. You can use custom to choose different PHP. If you don't know what this is about, just use preferred. Continue. Here you can choose your username. Let's say admin. Choose a password and an email. So enter your email. That's it, and we'll wait. Here we go. So go to admin. After finish, go to admin. Here enter the username you used, so admin, and the password, and login. Here you go. Everything you need in your local computer. Don't need a hosting to try or test your plugins. So you have themes, you can upload them, you can upload new themes, plugins also. So add new, so you have access for everything as hosting a domain name online. So that's it for today. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.